So one early result that came in was our customer's customer was extremely happy when they saw the implementation that their vendor had done for their parts, and therefore the confidence level of the customer in the vendor, it went up drastically because it reflected the seriousness that these people are giving in quality. So that was the first thing. Second thing was they could give, my customer could give all the relevant data to their customer. So the that also increased a lot of confidence. Third thing was in many places, especially for the NPD, that is New Product Development Department, whenever they make new products, the batch sizes are low, as you know, maybe 100 parts are to be supplied or 200 parts to be supplied. And then doing all the measurements, taking down all the data, verifying whether it is accurate or not, it becomes hell of a problem. But if you have a CNCtize DOB fixture as well as the gadget, then you can give a printout of the data which cannot be manipulated. So that also reduces the time consumed for the NPD department.